How to start and run a digital marketing agency in 2023. Are you ready to start your digital marketing agency in 2023? The digital marketing landscape constantly evolves. Now is the perfect time to get in on action. In this video, I will give you a step-by-step guide on how to start your digital marketing agency successfully from the scratch. I will cover everything from identifying your niche and target audience to creating a solid business plan and securing clients. So grab a notebook and a pen and let's get started on building your digital marketing empire. Step 1. Identify a niche. This is the first and most crucial step when starting a digital marketing agency. It involves determining which service your agency will offer, such as SEO, PPC, social media marketing, or email marketing. By identifying a specific niche, your agency can build a reputation as an expert in that area, which will help you attract the right clients looking for that particular service. As the agency grows, you may also evolve and expand your services to meet the demands of your clients and the market. Specializing in a niche will give you an edge over other agencies that try to offer everything to everyone. This will allow your team to focus on developing a deeper understanding of the industry and the best practices for that specific service. This step can translate into delivering more effective and efficient client services and charging premium rates. Additionally, focusing on a particular niche will make it easier to target your marketing and outreach efforts, as you will know the specific audience and industry you are trying to reach. Of course, as you grow, you can continually expand your services, but starting with a clear niche will help establish your agency as an expert in the field. Step 2. Develop a solid business plan. Developing a solid business plan is crucial when starting a digital marketing agency. A business plan is a detailed document that outlines the crucial aspects of your agency, including the target market, services, pricing, and projected income. This plan is essential for setting and achieving your goals and is used to secure funding from investors or lenders. When developing a business plan, clearly defining your target market is essential. For example, focus on small businesses in a specific industry such as health and wellness. This approach will help you identify your target market's unique needs and tailor your services and marketing strategy to meet those needs. Your services should also be defined, such as SEO, PPC, and social media marketing. Also, the pricing should also be considered based on the competition and the value your service brings to the clients. Finally, the projected income should be realistic and well calculated based on your target market, services, and pricing. A clear business plan will provide a roadmap for your agency and help you stay focused on your goals as you navigate the challenges of starting a new business. We also help you make strategic decisions. For example, in marketing and outreach, the plan will be a living document updated regularly and adapted as the agency and market change, but it will be your guide for the long run. Step 3. Build a team. This is another crucial step when starting a digital marketing agency. A strong team of talented professionals is essential for launching and running a successful agency. This team should also include a mix of individuals with diverse skill sets such as copywriters, designers, and web developers. Copywriters are responsible for creating compelling and engaging content that will be used to market your agency and its services. They will help craft messages that connect with the target audience and effectively communicate the value of your agency. Designers will help to develop visual elements such as logos, brochures, and website layouts that reflects your brand identity and help attract the right clients. Developers will be responsible for building and maintaining your agency's website, a crucial component of your marketing efforts. They will also help implement digital tools and platforms necessary for your agency's operation. A solid team will enable you to offer your clients a broader range of services and provide a more comprehensive and holistic approach to their digital marketing needs. A great team can improve your chances of success by providing clients with a more efficient and effective solution tailored to their specific needs and goals. Additionally, your team can bring new ideas, perspectives, and techniques to help you and the agency keep updated and competitive. Step 4. Establish your brand. Establishing your brand is an essential step in creating a digital marketing agency. A solid and memorable brand identity helps to establish trust and credibility with potential clients and help to set your agency apart from other competitors. It includes the visual elements representing your agency such as logo, business cards, and websites. A logo is the centerpiece of your brand identity and should be simple, memorable, and easy to recognize. It should reflect the values and the mission of your agency. Business cards are a valuable tool for networking and should also reflect your brand identity. They should also be well designed and convey important information about your agency, such as contact details and services. Your website is your agency digital storefront and the face of your brand in the digital world. It should be well designed and easy to navigate. It should provide information about your agency and its services, showcase your theme, and include client testimonials or case studies. It is a valuable tool for reaching new clients and potential partners. Your website also helps establish your agency's online presence and is crucial to your marketing efforts. A well-designed and memorable brand identity will help you to build a loyal client base and position your agency for long-term success. Therefore, it's vital to invest time and resources into creating a strong brand identity that accurately reflects the values and mission of your agency. A professional and consistent brand identity will help your agency to make a lasting impression on clients and partners and to build a reputation for quality and reliability. Step 5. Network and market your agency. This step is crucial in building and growing your digital marketing agency. Networking and marketing are important activities that can help you to establish your agency's reputation, attract new clients, and build partnerships. Attending industry events is a great way to network with other professionals in the field and learn about the latest trends and technologies in digital marketing. These events also offer opportunities to meet potential clients and partners and make valuable connections in the industry. Creating content like blog posts, social media posts, and videos is also an effective way to showcase your expertise and experience. By providing valuable insights and industry knowledge, you can establish yourself as a thought leader and attract new clients looking for a digital marketing agency with a solid understanding of the field. Additionally, it can improve the organic traffic to your website, increase the visibility of your agency and brand, and help you to build a community of followers and fans. Creating and managing social media accounts to distribute valuable content are also a great way to establish your agency as a thought leader in your industry. This can help you to reach a wider audience and build your reputation as a digital marketing expert. Marketing your agency can be time-consuming and require efforts. Still, if done correctly, it can help to attract new clients and partners, establish your reputation, and build a strong foundation for your agency's growth. Step 6. Secure clients. Clients are the lifeblood of your agency, and without them, your business will not be able to survive. One of the best ways to get clients is to reach out to small businesses and entrepreneurs in your local area. This method helps establish relationships with your potential clients more likely to trust and work with a local agent. Being confident, professional, and personable is essential when reaching potential clients. In addition, you should communicate the value your agency can provide and tailor your pitch to meet the specific needs of the business or entrepreneur you are speaking with. Following up with leads and prospects is also essential. Also, this can increase the likelihood of closing a deal. One strategy to secure clients is to build an online presence through a professional website, social media, and local SEO to make it easy for local businesses to find and contact you. You could also offer a free consultation or audit to showcase your expertise and help potential clients understand the value you can bring to their business. Starting small and working your way up will help to build a solid client base and ensure the financial stability of your digital marketing agency. Then, as you secure more clients and gain more experience, you can take on larger clients and grow your agency. It's important to remember that securing clients is an ongoing process, and you need to work to attract new clients and retain existing ones continually. Step 7. Take advantage of the digital world. Staying ahead of the curve in the digital marketing industry is vital. Keeping updated with the latest digital tools and platforms such as marketing automation, social media, and website analytics can help streamline your agency's operations and improve your client services. Investing in these technologies can also help your agency stay competitive and be more efficient in delivering client results. Researching and choosing the right tools that fit your agency's needs and budget is essential. Step 8. Measure, analyze, and adapt. Finally, this is an essential step to ensure the ongoing success of your digital marketing agency. It's crucial to gather data from your clients continually, analyze your marketing efforts' impact, and use those findings to adapt and improve your strategies. By regularly measuring and analyzing the result of your campaigns and strategy, you can identify areas that need improvement and adjust accordingly. This continuous optimization process will help you stay on track and improve your agency's performance. In conclusion, starting a digital marketing agency in 2023 can be challenging but enriching experience. By following the steps in this video, you will create a successful business that caters to the ever-growing needs of companies and businesses in the digital age. First, remember to identify your niche, create a solid business plan, and build a strong network of clients. Then, with hard work, dedication, and a little know-how, you can make your dream of starting a digital marketing agency a reality. Thanks for watching, and we wish you all the best in your entrepreneurial journey.